Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making my new and improved flaxseed gel for deep conditioning my hair. So I'm going to be using this flaxseed. Here they call it linseed. In Ireland they call it linseed, but it's a flaxseed gel. So I'm going to be making it, and I am going to be using rosemary, fresh rosemary, and I am going to be using fresh mint. This is my new and improved flaxseed deep conditioner for conditioning my hair. I have used this method a couple of times and I am happy the way it leaves my hair moisturized and the way it leaves my hair very soft. So flaxseed is very high on omega-3 fatty acid, which is very good for hair growth, and is also very good for keeping your scalp very moisturized, because sometimes our scalp can be very dry. This is what you need if you have a dry scalp, and also this can detangle and moisturize your hair like no other product. And you guys know about mint leaf. Mint leaf is good when it comes to encouraging blood circulation. It stimulates blood circulation to our scalp. If you haven't seen my mint leaf juice that I made for conditioning my hair, you should check it out. I'll leave it on the description box below. And this is our rosemary as well, in terms of encouraging healthy hair growth and promoting healthy hair growth. Rosemary is very good as well. So let's go on and make this our deep conditioner. So I am going to be putting everything in this pot. So this is a small cup. I don't have a measurement, but this is the cup I normally make it with. I am going to put my flaxseed in that cup. So I am going to put my flaxseed in this cup. So I'm basically using 1 cup of this because I normally make a lot and I keep it in my fridge or in my freezer. And this is my rosemary. So this is, I'm going to rinse off this in the tap before I add it in. And this is my mint as well. I'm going to rinse them off at the tap and then I'll add them in. So I have rinsed off my mint and my rosemary and I have added them in. So now I am going to add water. I'm going to add 2 cups of water inside it. And now I am going to put it on the stove to cook. So that is it on the stove. I am going to leave it to boil for about 10 minutes on the stove. So this is my flaxseed gel. It has been boiling now for 10 good minutes. I am going to take it out of the stove and drain it now. So now it is time for me to drain my flaxseed gel. So that is my flaxseed gel. As you can see, it's very thick. And I'm going to be using this to deep condition my hair. Hi guys, welcome back. So I am done making my flaxseed gel and I am going to apply this on my hair as a deep conditioner. This is a good natural deep conditioner, and when it comes to detangling, you know, like, this is the best, I must say. This and okra gel, if you have watched my okra gel conditioner video, that can detangle anything, and this also can detangle anything. And I added rosemary and mint leaf because they simulate hair growth and encourage healthy hair growth. So I am going to apply this on my hair now. Look at the thickness of that. It is very thick. If you're someone that doesn't like slimy, this might not be for you because it is very, very slimy. At the beginning of my natural hair journey, when I newly went natural, I didn't like this because it was very slimy, but I soon realized that it is the best detangler, especially if you have a 4C hair. This will melt it and detangle all the hard knots. I have an old video where I did a twist out with this gel, and that is my very old video, but I'm thinking of doing a new video doing a twist out with it. But at the moment I am loving it as a deep conditioner. So this is it, guys. This is how I apply it on my hair. I'm going to cover my hair and leave it for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then I will go to my bathroom and rinse it off with warm water. So guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one.